going to be starting with a broiled salmon with a pesto sauce that we're going to make right here. Make sure you have an acid in your marinade, because what that does is it helps break down the surface meat on the fish and allows the other liquids and seasonings to really penetrate inside the fish. Next is make a fresh pesto sauce. Pesto sauce is really universal. I mean, it can be used for spreads, dips. It freezes really well. What I'll do at home is I'll make it and then like put it in an ice cube tray, and then you can just put them in Ziploc bags and you can use it up as you need. It's really nice little handy trick. So now we're going to take our homemade pesto sauce and generously cover the top of the salmon. And you just want to make sure the entire surface is coated with the pesto sauce. And then we have the broil setting on high in the oven right now. And we're just going to put these in for about 8 to 10 minutes. So we're going to check it at 8 minutes. But with salmon, temperature and time, you always have to pay attention to how thick the fillet is.